January 1st, 2024. It is 7 degrees Celsius. And guess what we're doing today?
Swimming.
We're going in there. What do you think of the temperature, Tani?
It's very refreshing.
I think it's colder. You're not leaving it in too long.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to put it more because I have a wine here. That's a joke. It's not wine. It's coffee.
She's always drinking wine.
Always have wine here. Of course.
You ready to go in?
Yes.
You sure? 7 degrees.
No.
How are you feeling?
Let's go, Chad! I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I don't like cold water, but...
It's 7 degrees.
Huh?
It's 7 degrees. Water's 7 and outside is 7.
7? Nervous? What are you nervous about?
Cold water.
We're staying in the water for 2 minutes, right? 2 minutes.
You're so funny. How is it?
2 minutes, right?
2 seconds?
No, you're gonna stay in the water 2 minutes.
2 seconds. Working.
You're gonna have to wait for me to put 2 minutes on my watch.
Oh, yeah.
You can do 2 minutes, right?
More than 2 minutes. Come on.
Yeah, I mean, tell them.
I don't run it.
It's gonna hold you.
There we go, 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 go!
Jesus! Oh my God! Oh my boy. Oh. Good job. Thank you. How was it? Oh. That's fine. That's fine. It's all good. It's all good.
Like a new person right now.
Yeah.
So refreshed.
It's all good. It's all good. No big deal. Oh, your pin! Your first pin!
That's our pin. Huh?
Well done.
Where's my pen?
That's why.
Was it worth it?
It was worth it.
Yeah, of course. I got a pin. It's like the first day of the year, you know, it just helps your soul to reconnect to your body, and I feel like a new person right now. It was amazing. Yeah, it was amazing. My brain kind of reset when I was there. I didn't feel my body, but I feel sexy and I feel burning, and then yeah, I feel like a
I'm
new
like
person
shaking,
right now.
holding this, I'm like shaking. The whole video's gonna be like this.
When you see the videos that I made when you're getting out of the water.
This is one of the best ways to start the new year. An adventure with new and old friends, getting out of your comfort zone, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. And who doesn't want to share a little bit of pain with their friends and family? Thanks for making a splash. I'll see you next time.